Welcome back. It's a pleasure to have you back with us here at Distro Technologies. Today's video is inspired by one of our awesome subscribers who asked us to explain blockchain. In just 3 minutes, you'll get a clear understanding of what blockchain is, how it works, and why it's so important. Let's jump right in. What is blockchain? First things first, what exactly is blockchain? Imagine a digital ledger or a record book, but instead of being stored in one central place, this ledger is duplicated and distributed across a network of computers. Each entry in this ledger is called a block, and these blocks are linked together in a chain. Hence, the name blockchain. Each block contains 3 main components: data, a unique identifier called a hash, and the hash of the previous block. This linking process ensures that the data is secure and cannot be altered without changing all subsequent blocks. How does blockchain work? Now let's see how blockchain works. Imagine you want to send money to a friend. This transaction is grouped with others into a block. Before this block is added to the chain, it needs to be verified by network participants, known as nodes. These nodes solve complex mathematical problems to validate the block, a process called mining. Once validated, the block is added to the chain, and the transaction is complete. This decentralized verification process ensures trust and security without the need for a central authority. Why is blockchain important? So, why is blockchain such a big deal? First, it offers enhanced security. Because of its decentralized and encrypted nature, altering any information on the blockchain is extremely difficult, making it secure against fraud. Second, transparency and traceability. Every transaction is recorded and can be traced back, which is invaluable for supply chains, finance, and even voting systems. Finally, blockchain can reduce costs and increase efficiency by cutting out intermediaries and streamlining processes. To sum up, blockchain is a revolutionary technology that's transforming industries by enhancing security, transparency, and efficiency. Thanks to our subscriber for the great suggestion. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Distro Technologies.